Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the multifunctional magnetic phone grip. This upgraded magnetic phone grip is composed of a magnetic iron ring and a cell phone holder. It can be used as a finger ring grip, cell phone stand, and more. The phone finger strap is more flexible and convenient, providing you with an adjustable viewing angle to meet your different viewing angles for reading and watching videos. It has built-in N52 magnets, which can be easily locked in one position. You can connect your phone to a refrigerator, gym equipment, or anything made of steel. The suggested selling price is $29.9 with the product costing on AliExpress $1.95, which will leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is motivational water bottle with time marker. Designed with a time marker and inspirational quotes, the Pipiads half-gallon water bottle is perfect for helping you stay motivated to drink enough water throughout the day. Featured with a semi-transparent appearance and capacity scale helps you measure your daily intake of water easily and clearly. It is fun and easy for any fitness goal, including weight loss, muscle gain, appetite control, and overall health. The top of the 64 ounces water bottle with straw is designed with a food-grade silicone O-ring to prevent 100% leaks. The straw, which is equipped in a 2 liters water bottle, is removable. You can enjoy spill-proof sipping straw or fast water flow without a straw. The spring-loaded dust cap can effectively prevent dust from entering your bottle, making your storage liquid cleaner. With a durable plastic handle design and anti-skid grip, a half-gallon water bottle makes you carry it anywhere easier. You can make your water bottle unique by decorating it. The suggested selling price is $14.69 and the product cost on AliExpress is $2.58. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.